Today I'll show how I converted standard shopping campaigns into smart shopping campaigns. I'll explain my plan, the challenges I faced, I show the results, the campaign structure set up before and after, and offer some final thoughts. Hi, my name is Andrey, and on this channel I cover growing e-commerce with Google Ads. Let's go. To give you some context, this project was part of a bigger effort on optimizing and managing the Google Ads account that I was hired to do. The other parts included rebuilding the whole account, including not only shopping campaigns, but search campaigns, display campaigns, remarketing campaigns, setting up conversion tracking, and fixing Google Analytics. The company was selling 5 categories of furniture, and the plan was to build standard shopping campaigns for each product category, run it for a while, laying foundation of data and conversions for the smart shopping, and then make the switch. There was one big challenge: the low quality of the historical conversion data. The conversion tracking was broken, and it was tracking all kinds of irrelevant conversions. And I solved it in 3 steps. First, I changed the imported analytics transactions conversion tracking to the direct Google Ads conversion tracking. The imported analytics transactions can, in many cases, underreport revenue, and I like to use direct Google Ads conversion whenever possible. I made another video about that. If you're interested, check this link. The second step was to track enough meaningful conversions. This product category was making about 10 sales per month, which I felt was not enough for smart campaign to work well. So I decided to use the secondary conversion quotes sent. To send a quote, a potential customer had to fill the detailed form, and I felt that was good enough indication of the buying intention. Put together, sales and quotes sent amounted to at least 40 conversions a month. And finally, when the conversion tracking was sorted out, I waited for a couple of months before making the switch to let the campaign accumulate the good data. This graph shows the main results of experiment across 7 months. In the first phase, standard campaigns are running, and they are accumulating good conversion data. In the beginning of second phase, smart campaigns replace standard campaigns, and the smart campaign is in learning mode. In the third phase, the budget is increased by 20% and sales start to grow. In the fourth phase, the budget is actually decreased by 50% because the company ran out of stock, but sales kept increasing consistently. And if we compare the first and last month with approximately the same budget, we see the 80% increase in revenue and 100% increase in ROAS. For the standard campaigns, I use the query level bidding strategy, which is quite popular way of structuring standard shopping campaigns. I'm not describe it here. I'll leave the relevant link in the first comment to this video. But briefly, idea is you run 2 or 3 campaigns in a way that you funnel the low intent searches into a campaign with low bids and the higher level searches into the campaign with higher bids. These campaigns were replaced with a single smart shopping campaign with equal budget and with a bidding maximize conversion value. A few things to note. Not all campaigns after switching to standard to smart work as well as this one. To maximize your chances of success, do these things. Make sure you feed your campaign with good data. Separate your product categories to avoid the laundry machine effect. And be patient. Don't touch your campaign during the learning period, which can last up to 14 days. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm will show it more often to the people who are searching for similar information. And subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified on my new videos. Thank you and have a great day.